The Samsung Galaxy A56 has been getting more attention lately, with rumors of a 45-watt wired charging capability. While still not what I would call fast charging, this marks a major leap forward from the 25-watt charging speed of its predecessor, the Galaxy A55. It would allow you to juice up your phone in a fraction of the time with a speed similar to that of its flagship, more premium brother, the Galaxy S24. After all, it's one of the most sold mid-range phone in the Samsung lineup. That is why Samsung has to pack some interesting details to make this phone still relevant among the aggressive Chinese players. This exciting development comes as Samsung continues to elevate its mid-range A series. Historically, the A series has always offered a balance of features and affordability. The A53 and A54 were both released in the US to positive reception, but the A55 unfortunately didn't make it stateside. Many are hoping Samsung will change course and bring the A56 to the US market when it's released, potentially around March 2025. Beyond the headline-grabbing 45-watt charging speeds, the A56 is rumored to pack a triple rear camera setup with a unified camera bar, reminiscent of the Pixel 9 Pro, but with a horizontal layout. This camera look will definitely give the A56 its own unique look, after all the earlier versions were just like the toned-down versions of the Samsung's flagship lineups. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1580 chipset, which is said to bring enhanced Galaxy capabilities to the device. This could translate to a smarter, more responsive user experience with Galaxy AI. The display is also rumored to be getting an upgrade, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a dynamic AMOLED screen, a step up from the Super AMOLED display in previous models. Camera-wise, the A56 might see a reduction in megapixels for its front-facing camera, going from 32 MP in the A55 to 12 MP. However, the rear cameras are expected to remain consistent: a 50 MP wide-angle, a 12 MP ultra-wide, and a 5 MP macro. This suggests Samsung is focusing on overall camera performance rather than simply increasing megapixel count, or this can be a way of Samsung to cut costs to make this phone more affordable. The battery capacity is likely to be humongous 5,000 mAh, which should provide ample power for a full day's use. Storage and memory options are expected to come in two variants with 8GB and 12GB RAM options, bundled with 128GB and 256GB storage respectively, providing flexibility for different user needs. The anticipated starting price is around $550, keeping it competitive in the mid-range market. Personally, the faster charging speed definitely has its benefits. The ability to quickly top up my phone's battery when I am in a hurry is a huge plus. We should also see how the new Exynos 1580 chipset performs and what kind of Galaxy AI-powered features it enables. This phone is sure to be launched in Europe, Asia, and Latin America, but I am just hoping this phone to be launched in US, as everyone doesn't need flagship phones, so it would be nice to have an option for customers. Are you guys waiting for the new Galaxy A56? Tell me your thoughts in the comments section, and please like this video and subscribe our channel for more such interesting tech leaks and videos. Peace.